Right. G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here with a new episode with you today. Today we're doing a bunch of stuff on the Jeep Compass. We've already done a service on it for the oil change. Didn't show it on camera because you guys have already seen it. So what we're going to do today is actually break down a bunch of different parts that you need to change, mainly on your major service. But today it's something that you probably should do every year, and that is change your cabin air filter. So we've got a new air filter here today for the Compass. So today I'm going to show you why you need this for, where it's located, and how to change it. So let's get started. Oh, still got it, baby. So guys, what do you actually need an air filter for? So with the cabin filters these days, a lot of cars actually use the cabin filter to stop pollens and sort of bad stuff getting inside the car. It's pretty much exactly how a motor works. You're just trying to keep debris and things that aren't supposed to be in the cabin out of the cabin. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you where it's located. So in the Jeep Compass, so I think this is an 08 to 2014 model or 2017 model. They did build them for quite a long time. Now what you do is you open up your glove box. It'll be the same on either side, left or right hand drive cars. Now you're going to want to push. There's a little panel, like a rubber panel, hidden down the back there on either side. They're just sort of like your bumper stops. Now you do have to sort of give it a little bit of grief on either side, and you'll start to feel it sort of give in to you. So that opens up. Now what you're looking at inside here is actually your fan for your heater and cooler. There's a little box in here, and it'll have airflow with 2 arrows down and then 2 arrows going in. What you want to do is push on the arrow on this side, pop that side out. You pop that side out, so that cover is now completely off. And what we're going to do is you just slide your cabin air filter out, and look at that. That's everything it's catching that was going to get in your cabin, including a cockroach, which I can see in there. So that is pretty much your whole reason why you have one of these. So this is actually from 2017, so it's been 3 years since it's been replaced. So what we've got here now is we've got actually a Ryco new cabin filter. So if anyone in Australia has one of these and is looking to replace the filter, look at that, how clean that is. Like, look at the comparison, like that, or that, or that. So the part number for this from Ryco is RCA257P. So that will be probably only to Ryco, but if you are not sure, just look it up online, see what fits your vehicle, and go from there. So you want the writing on the outside. You'll see the writing on there. You'll say like the part number, when it was manufactured, and you also want it which way the airflow goes. So going from your cover, it's pointing downward. You just put your new filter in. Put your new filter in, if it will fit. Like that. Then we get our cover, and it clips back into place. So we'll get the old filter out of the way. Now we're gonna squeeze these together. You sort of pinch them, and that's that part of the job done. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you worked out exactly where that filter is. Most cars will generally be in the same location behind the glove box. Sometimes they're inside the actual engine bay, but generally behind your glove box. So anywhere in the world, right or left hand drive, you'll usually find it there. So thank you all so much for watching. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook, Panda Garage. Ask your questions there. You can ask them down below. Until next time guys, my name's Matt. It's been Panda Garage, and I'll see you all next time. Fuck, I still got it. Haven't